Your body is scheduled to repair itself between the hours of 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. This is not a wellness trend. This is your genetic programming. Growth hormone peaks in this window. Cellular repair accelerates. Muscle protein synthesis reaches its highest daily rate. Your brain literally cleans itself using a system called the glymphatic pathway. All of this is scheduled to run automatically. You do not have to think about it. Then you eat dinner at 9 p.m. or 10, or you snack at 11, and you cancel the entire program before it starts. Most people believe dinner timing does not matter as long as total calories stay the same. The research is clear. This is wrong. When you eat matters as much as what you eat, and late dinner is one of the most damaging habits in modern nutrition, hiding in plain sight, done by almost everyone. Today, I am showing you exactly what happens inside your body when you eat late, why it cancels overnight repair, and the specific dinner timing rule that protects the biological work your body was designed to do while you sleep. Let's start with what is supposed to happen. When the sun sets, your body starts a shift change. Insulin sensitivity begins dropping. Cortisol, which was high all day, starts falling. Melatonin production begins ramping up. Your digestive system slows down. Your organs are literally getting ready to shut down active metabolism and switch to repair mode. This entire process needs one thing to activate fully: low insulin. Insulin is the signal that tells your body food is available. When insulin is high, your body assumes it needs to store energy. It does not repair, it does not clean, it does not burn fat, it processes what you just ate. Growth hormone, the most powerful repair signal your body produces, cannot rise while insulin is high. These two hormones are opposites. When one is up, the other is down. Every time. Now here is what happens when you eat dinner at 9 p.m. Your insulin spikes. Depending on the meal, it stays elevated for 2 to 4 hours. That means until at least 11 p.m. and often until 1 a.m., your body cannot enter repair mode. Growth hormone stays suppressed. Cellular cleanup does not activate. The glymphatic system that cleans your brain runs at reduced capacity. You go to sleep, but your body is not repairing. It is still processing dinner. By the time your insulin finally drops, you have already spent your deepest sleep phases digesting food. The window for full repair has closed. Your body gets some maintenance done, but the deep restoration your genetics were programmed for never fully happens. Do this 3 nights in a row and you feel it. Foggy mornings, slow recovery, persistent hunger, weight that will not move. Do this 3 years in a row, and it shows up as something worse. Accelerated aging, muscle loss, sleep disorders, cognitive decline, insulin resistance. The damage is not from the calories. It is from the timing. Now here is what makes this even more frustrating. Most late dinner eaters are not overeating. They are eating reasonable meals at unreasonable times. A grilled chicken with vegetables at 9 p.m. does more metabolic damage than the same meal at 6 p.m. Same food, same calories, completely different outcome. Your body is not a calorie counter. It is a timing system. Here is the fix. And it is simpler than most people expect. Stop eating 3 hours before you sleep. Minimum. If you sleep at 11 p.m., your last bite is at 8 p.m. If you sleep at 10 p.m., your last bite is at 7 p.m. If you sleep at midnight, and you cannot change that, your last bite is at 9 p.m., and you accept that you will not get full overnight repair that night. 3 hours is the minimum. 4 hours is better. This gives your insulin time to drop, your digestion time to slow, and your body time to switch into repair mode before you enter deep sleep. There is also a second piece to this that most people never hear about. Not all late meals are equally damaging. A protein and vegetable meal at 8 p.m. affects your overnight state differently than a carb-heavy meal at 8 p.m. Refined carbohydrates and sugars are the worst possible foods for late meals because they cause the largest and longest insulin spike. A bowl of pasta at 8 p.m. keeps your insulin elevated longer than a piece of grilled fish and salad at 8 p.m. If you have to eat late, eat protein and fibrous vegetables. Skip the rice, skip the pasta, skip the dessert, skip the fruit. Every gram of refined carbohydrate you eat within 4 hours of sleep extends your body's inability to enter repair mode. The framework is simple. Early is better than late. Protein and vegetables are better than carbs when you have to eat late. 3 hours before sleep is the minimum buffer. 4 is better. Your body was designed to do incredible work while you sleep. It grew you from a single cell into an adult using this exact overnight repair program. It knows exactly what to do. Your only job is to stop interfering with it. Late dinner is interference. Sweetened drinks after dinner are interference. That handful of nuts you grab at 10 p.m. is interference. The wine with dinner at 9 p.m. is double interference because alcohol also disrupts growth hormone release independently. Give your body the 3 hour window. That is all it needs. And you will feel the difference within a week. Sleep gets deeper, morning energy returns, weight starts moving, skin looks different, recovery from workout speeds up. None of this requires eating less. It just requires eating earlier. Subscribe if this helped you understand why your late dinner might be undoing everything else you are doing right. The next video covers the 3 hidden alcoholic drinks that destroy sleep quality more than beer or wine, and why one of them is being marketed as a health drink in 2026. Drop a comment telling me what time you usually eat dinner. I want to see how many of you are already inside the repair window, and how many are accidentally canceling it every single night.